Katan silk with hand paint and all, and these are all pure tussar with zari border. These are all new designs we have just introduced with kalamkari and floral print. As you can see, these are all our exclusive design. Now I will show you one by one. Start with the sari number 1. These are all silk mark certified. These are all silk mark certified, and this particular silk, the height of these saris are almost, as you can see, my height and the sari length, it's almost a 4'7" the height of the sari is, and these all saris are comes with the blouse 6.5 meter. So now I will start with the sari number 1. This is a rani and grey combination with hand painted. You can see this is the pallu of the sari. This is the pallu of the sari. This is a fully hand painted, and all over same goes like this. It's a combination of maroon, black and white. These are all fully hand painted. It's a very pretty one. Throughout the sari it goes like this, full skirt part, and this has got the blouse. This is the blouse of the sari. This is a 1 meter full grey color blouse. So I'll show you the close up of the sari. This is the painting. This is the painting of the saris. The fully hand painted. It's fully hand painted. This is sari number 1, 3850. The price of these saris are all silk. These are sari number 2. It's a combination of yellow and grey. It's also same kind of painting. This is the pallu of the sari. And this is the body. The same pattern, only the designs has been changed. The full sari goes like this. This is the pallu. This is a very bright yellow. As you can see, and this is the painting. And this is the pallu of the sari. This is the look of the sari, and this has got the blouse, the same grey color blouse. The fully hand painted, all silk mark certified. Now I'm going to show you sari number 3. This is a red and black combination. This is fully hand painted. It's a one side border, as you can see. Only this upper part. This is the painting. This is the pallu. This is the pallu of the sari. This is a fully hand painting. As you can see, this is a very fine hand painting, and this is the look of the sari. Throughout the sari goes like this. It's only upper border painted, and the full sari is red. All over sari is red. I show you the painting of. This is the pallu, and this has got the red blouse. Plain blouse. This is sari number 3, 3850. Now it's a pallu and shoulder design. I'll show you how it will come. This is a pallu. As you can see, there is a triangle pallu, and this print, this is a kalamkari print. This will come to the shoulder. It's a froza color. It's a turquoise blue with the green. As you can see, there is a border also. This is the look of the sari. This is a pallu, shoulder. So you come to the shoulder and the full sari goes like this, and it has got the blouse, a parrot green blouse, the parrot green blouse. I'll show you the close-up of this kalamkari print. It's a combination of parrot green and black outline and white color discharge. And this is the border, lower part border. It's a very nice, pretty designer saree. This saree number 4, 3850. 3850. Now this I am going to show you a script print on pallu and blouse. This is a script print. I'll show you how it will come. This is the pallu of the saree, as you can see, fully scripted hand block print. And then it's a Ganga Jamna border. It's a Ganga Jamna border. It's a Rani and orange, combination of Rani and orange. And this is the lower border, the temple design. And this is upper border. It's a very classy saree. It's a very classy saree. I'll show you the closer the saree, and this is a script. As you can see, this is a fully script hand block print. This is the look of the saree. So look of the saree, and blouse has got also printed. The blouse fully printed. Blouse is also fully printed. 3850. The height of these sarees are almost 4'7" to 4'8". As you can see, I am 5'10", so it's almost, the height is very good of these sarees. These are specially weaved. Normal saree don't comes in this height, but these sarees are Vishnupuri Katan silk. This is almost 4'7". The height of the height. Now I will start with the tussar sarees. This is the saree number 6. This is the saree number 6. This is a rising kind of print. As you can see, this is a discharge print. This is a wavy style. This is the pallu of the saree. This is the pallu of the saree, and this is the body. This is a corner to corner design. This is corner to corner design. This will come like this, corner to corner design. The body is plain, so that's why we have given a printed blouse. It's a fully printed blouse. See the blouse. It's fully printed. It's all hand discharge, hand painting, the hand block discharge print. It's a very pretty saree with the printed blouse. This will look very nice. I'll show you the close-up of the print of kalamkari print. It's a very nice combination. So these are all 4950. The tussars are all 4950. This is number 6. Now I am going to show you kalamkari print, saree number 7. It's a combination of red and black. As you can see, this is the pallu. This is the pallu of the saree, and throughout the body, all over same, it goes like this, all over same printed. It's a kalamkari print. It's a kalamkari print. Throughout the saree it goes like, and it has got the red blouse. It's all zari border. Now I'm going to show you saree number 8. It's a very new design. It's a very nice print. the color combination. It's an indigo blue and yellow combination. This is the body and this is the pallu of the sari, and this is the body. It's a very classy print. I'll show you the close-up of the print. The combination of yellow, green, shades of brown, shades of green. It's a very pretty sari. It's the indigo color body and yellow, combination of indigo and yellow, and the full floral print all over same printed. This is the look of the sari. It has got the yellow blouse. Now I am going to show you sari number 9. This is also a kalamkari print. This is also kalamkari print. This is a different combination. This is a very pretty one. It's one of the demandable saris. I have made so many colors on this design. This is the pallu of the sari, and this is the body. This is the body, as you can see. Throughout the body, all over same. This is the combination. It's a very pretty one. It's all over same. This is the pallu. This is the pallu of the sari, and it has got the blouse. This is the blouse. It's fully 1 meter blouse. This is the look of the sari. I am going to show you, this is a truly designer piece. This is a truly designer piece. This is a half and half pattern. This is a fish motif. I will show you. This is the pallu of the sari. And the half sari goes like this. This is the half, that fish motif, half, and this will comes to the pleat. This will start with the pleats. This will come to the pleats, plain, and the half sari is like this. I'll show you the close-up of the fish design. As you can see, this is a fish, and we have put a red color in the eyes, so it looks very designer piece. This very nice sari is a combination of black, red, and tasar color. This is the pallu, and this will come like this. This will come to the pleats. It's a very nice sari, combination of red, tasar color, and white. And number 11. This is also our head designs. This is one of our head designs. This is actual gachi tasar. The price of this sari is 5,500. 5,500 because this has got the special zari weaved, and the quality of the sari is heavier than other saris. So this is pure gachi tasar. This is pure gachi tasar. This is the pallu of the sari, and this is all over multicolor floral. As you can see, this is very nice. It's a combination of Rani and black background with multicolor florals all over. And this has got the Rani color blouse, as you can see. This is the look of the sari. It's a very nice combination. Thank you so much. ना मत खत्म करो. So these are all latest designs. If anyone wants to book, so they can book. If resellers also can join, and we have some offers. So book it immediately. We have limited stocks. We have limited stocks. So if anyone wants to book, so please book it immediately. Our number is 829-689-7264. 7264. चेहरा दिखाई दे रहा है ना? So if anyone wants to book the sarees, so they can book it immediately because we have limited stocks. And if any customization, so we do also customize as per the customer choice or designs. So kindly book it as soon as possible because we have got limited stock. So our calling number and WhatsApp number is 829-689-7264. Thank you so much.